Igongona ria kuruguria mutaratara uria ukuhuthika na wabici ya kwandikithia ciama cia kiuteti wa RPP gatagati ka mwaka wa 2025 na mwaka wa 2028 nirihuthikire kumurika maundu matiganite maria marahanika uteti-ini wa bururi mbere ya githurano kinene kia mwaka ukite. Munene wa watho DORCAS ni amurikire ateti aria mambiririe kuhura kambiini cia gwetha iturwa ngurani mbere ya ihinda riria rigathikitwo ni kamiti ya ithurano na miaka IEBC iria kuhura kambiini.
The register of political parties, they sent me to ask you what it means when we see billboards all over the country, people saying they want to be governors and MPs and MCAs, and information going all over of people who are aspiring to hold public offices. They were wondering whether there is a law governing such activities.
Akirigwo kai matareciria twina bururi no ni undu wa kwiyenda na especially andu aria mari thirikari-ini aria marenda ite riu mambitie gwikira nginya billboards no gutiagiriire uguo.
This strategic plan serves as a framework designed to institutionalize order, demand accountability.
Kuringana na mutaratara uria wirigite kurekererio ni IEBC mweri muthiru, kambiini cia githurano kinene gia mwaka ukite cibatie ni kwambiriria tariki 29 mweri wa gatano mwaka ucio na cihingwo tariki 7 mweri wa kanana mwaka-ini oro ucio, na undu uraugite ati mitaratara ino ni ibatie ni gutio ni ateti othe nginyagia aria mararugama mari andu kiumbe.
Independent candidates and individuals are also within that purview. And the early campaigns provisions will not only apply to political parties but to everybody exercising those political rights.
Na niguo gutigirira ati gutire na ithenyo riothe ringigiriria RPP kana IEBC gutacukia makinya kuri aria othe mangiagarara watho uyu. Riu wabici ya munene wa watho ni ambiriirie mutaratara wa gutabania mogaruruku ma watho wa ithurano.
Office of the Attorney General through the Department of Justice and all stakeholders have come up with an Election Amendment Bill 2026, which amongst others defines the term early campaigning, prescribes prohibited conduct, it confers enforcement powers to relevant institutions, it also provides for sanctions and violations.
Undu ungi uria wiyumiririe mucemanio-ini uyu ni wa uthiri wa mbeca hindi ya kambiini cia githurano. Muikariri gitu wa IEBC Erastus Ethekon akiuga ati ni nginyagia watho kurutithio wira uria kwagiriire rita riri niguo kuhe kanya ikia kura gugetha atongoria matagutindikiririo na mbeca.
We need to sanitize the environment within which we conduct our elections so that we allow the people of Kenya the free will, because that's what the constitution says, the universal suffrage, the freedom to choose without being coerced, intimidated, threatened or treated.
Kwina act no gutire na regulation na niyo marakorwo makirora right now, na ni wega ona atongoria aria mari bunge tha ici na aria mari senate ni wega kurora horo cio.
We need to invade the political processes within the political parties.
Nige Ethekon augite ati uthiri wa nyanake ni wambiriirie gukorwo uri ugwati munene hari ithurano, akiruta mukana wate angikorwo gutigokorwo na mogaruruku oro mothe kwaya gukorwo icigo imwe citigathurana hindi ya githurano kinene.
What do you do if there's violence and chaos covering almost, let's say, 30% of an election or 40%? You might just be forced to do the unthinkable, which is we pull our staff from there.
Bururi witu ungiharagana ni tondu ithui gukorwo tukiyenda no tukorwo tukihitia na ni wega muno tukirora uhoro ucio.
Political parties are the life blood of our democracy. Their health, their conduct and their internal governance directly dictate the quality of our nation's leadership.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.